is Jim, and he has been diagnosed with lactose intolerance. However, he recently read online that eating yogurt can cure him. The online article claimed that yogurt can improve and repair the microbiome present in the gut and therefore cure all digestive problems. However, this sounded too good to be true. So what exactly is the microbiota? The microbiota is a large population of microscopic organisms known as microorganisms that reside in the intestines. The gut microbiome consists of many species of microorganisms, including bacteria, archaea, viruses, and other eukaryotic microorganisms. The gut microbiome is unique to every individual and is responsible for regulating our metabolism and immune system to maintain a healthy physiological state. The dominant function of the gut microbiota is to facilitate host digestion and nutrient absorption, as the microbiota is able to generate nutrients from substances that would normally be indigestible by the host. Furthermore, the gut microbiota is able to regulate immune responses in the gut. A healthy adult microbiome consists of over 1,000 species of bacteria belonging to a few known categories, with Bacteroidetes and Firmicutes being the most dominant categories. Having a microbiome composed of a diverse range of microorganisms is vital for proper function. The daily intake of food and nutrients is only one of the many factors that can influence the composition and function of the gut microbiome. The consumption of yogurt can induce some changes, but the degree to which yogurt can play a role in boosting your microbiome and rebuilding a damaged microbiome has been a topic of debate. Most yogurts consist mainly of milk and bacteria. One of the main components of milk, lactic acid, is broken down into its simpler components by microorganisms in order to produce yogurt. This process is known as fermentation. One of the main components of yogurt is a compound called lactose. Lactose is broken down into its simpler components by the enzyme lactase. Some bacteria have lactase activity, so they can predigest lactose. Proteins in yogurt such as casein and whey protein are good sources of all the essential amino acids and can also be predigested by these bacteria, making them more readily absorbed in the gut. Yogurt also consists of important fats which are able to stimulate the immune system and protect one's cells from compounds that have the potential to cause cancer. Other important components of yogurt are vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12 and calcium. Vitamin B12 is important for many chemical processes in the body, such as fetal nervous system development and red blood cell production, while calcium is good for bone growth and mineralization. Lastly, yogurt also contains sugar, sodium, and cholesterol. Despite the debate, it has been scientifically proven that there are many positive effects that yogurt has on the gut microbiota, specifically due to the action of probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms found in various forms of dairy products such as fermented milk or yogurt. When ingested in sufficient quantities, they have shown to result in several health benefits for their host. Studies have shown that probiotics received through yogurt can strengthen the gut immune system by preventing additional foreign invaders from entering the bloodstream. Probiotics can also decrease potentially harmful enzymes that are normally produced by the native gut microbiota. In addition, yogurt has been shown to have various other benefits for the human body, such as improving symptoms of lactose intolerance, reducing risk of antibiotic-associated diarrhea in children and adults, and improving symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Although there are many advantages associated with yogurt, there are also some disadvantages as well. First of all, some brands of yogurt contain too much sugar. Yogurt naturally contains the milk sugar lactose. However, a lot of extra sugar in the form of high fructose corn syrup is often added to make it more appealing to the consumers. Typically, if the yogurt is labeled fruit flavored or fruit on the bottom, or has flavors such as Boston cream pie or strawberry shortcake, or it contains toppings like cookies or chocolate bits, it's almost guaranteed to contain excess sugar and calories. Furthermore, some studies have found that the consumption of glucose, fructose, and sucrose can alter the composition of the microbiota and might lead to health consequences. Secondly, many yogurt companies make their products appear to be healthier by substituting the fat content with non-caloric artificial sweeteners. However, studies have shown that artificial sweeteners can alter the microbiota and lead to metabolic syndrome, resulting in conditions such as type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and weight gain. Therefore, it is important to pay careful attention to the labeling to avoid excess sugar and artificial sweeteners. Try to pick a yogurt that has fewer additive ingredients. plain and unsweetened yogurt is found to be a healthier option. Based on the information mentioned, Jim realized that eating yogurt can potentially help with his lactose intolerance. However, since everyone's microbiota is different, Jim decided to have another appointment with his doctor to figure out how much yogurt he needs to consume to get the sufficient amount of probiotics for his microbiota, or whether there is another form of probiotics that would be more beneficial to him.